Hey everybody, it is snowing and I am going to make snow ice cream. So I've got some snow right there. I've got approximately 10 cups of snow. All right, so I'm just going to pour some of this in here, and you just want to make it, you know, however sweet you want it to be, okay? Now you want to make sure to gather clean snow, and I took this bowl outside and just set it outside while it was snowing and let it fill up. Okay, let me add a little bit of vanilla extract. Okay, let me taste this. That is so good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this in a container where I can freeze it, because I know I can't eat all of this right now. I'm going to put that in a container, and then we will have some in the freezer. Boy, you talk about quick and easy. This is a quick and easy way to make homemade ice cream, y'all. Let's show. Okay, y'all, here we go. This is our snow ice cream.
Special treat.
Okay, y'all. We'll see y'all next time with another great recipe.